Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well. Today we got Audi TT Mark III in the workshop and I'm going to be doing a quick air filter replacement video for you. This is part of my full service video. If you want to see the whole video, then check it in my playlist. There's all the steps there as well, including the service reset. So today, this one is just a short one in case you literally just want to replace the air filter. It's here. The part number will be in the description below. Blueprint is quite a good brand. That's what I usually use anyway. The part number, like I say, will be in the description below, depending which brand you're going to go for. This one's ADV 182216. I do like the Blueprint. Also use man filters for the VAG group as well. It is located here, so it's only held in with Torx screws. I'm going to undo them quickly. So in this case, I'm pretty sure they're Torx 25. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So get them undone. They usually stay in the actual housing. So you can't really go wrong with the air filter change, to be honest. So it's nice and simple. Just open it up. Get it out. This one doesn't look too bad. This is the man filter, by the way. If you're interested in man filter, it's C30005 part number, according to this. So it doesn't look too bad. This car has been looked after pretty well, which is good. Just get rid of any rubbish they might have in the airbox, and then obviously fit the new air filter in. It looks pretty identical, as you can see. That goes back in there. Make sure the rubber bit sits in there evenly. That's it, so you haven't got any air leaks. And all you have to do at this point is literally just do it up. Don't go too mad on it, just make sure it's tight, hand tight. You don't need any other tools. Right, that's it, nice and easy, all done guys. Right guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and like I said, don't forget you got a full service video on there as well. But yeah, please make sure you dispose of your rubbish properly, and yeah, it is important to change the air filter, because if it's too dirty, if you've got a lot of rubbish in there, it will restrict the airflow, which eventually does mess up your fuel consumption and also everything else as well, because it's not running properly, it's not getting a good reading of the airflow in there. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.